So I'm going to opening my file explorer, and here's a photo. If I try to drag and drop it in Photoshop, as you can see, drag and drop is not working. I'll show you how to easily fix this error. First of all, exit your Photoshop, and then in the search box type here Photoshop, and all you have to need, right click on Photoshop, click on open file location, or you can do it from your desktop. Just right click on your Photoshop, click on open file location, and here you will find this photoshop.exe file. Just right click here, click on properties, select compatibility, and under settings here you will find run this program as an administrator option. If it's checked, then all you have to need, uncheck this option, click on apply, and then just go ahead and relaunch your Photoshop. And now I'm going to opening my file explorer, and now I'm going to simply dragging and dropping a photo. As you can see, now it's working perfectly.